In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Confluence space. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or simply need to clarify your team's work environment, sometimes deleting a space can be a necessary step. We'll walk you through this process, ensuring it's done cleanly and efficiently so you can manage your Confluence site effectively. First, you'll want to start from your Confluence homepage. This is your main hub, and it's where all your spaces and tools are easily accessible. Once you're there, think about the specific space you need to remove. It's important to double-check this beforehand, as once a space is deleted, it's a bit of a process to recover everything. Mistakes can happen, so having that clarity from the beginning will save you trouble later. Next, identify the space you want to delete. Once you've pinpointed it, go ahead and click on that space. This action will take you to that specific space's overview page. It's sort of like entering that specific room of information. This is a crucial step in targeting the right space to make sure it's indeed the one you want to manage. On that overview page, you'll notice a trio of dots situated somewhere obvious, usually on the right side. These 3 dots open up more options for managing your space. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you'll find more advanced settings and functionalities related to that particular space. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find an option labeled Delete Space. Clicking this will initiate the deletion process. But don't worry, there's an additional safety net before you permanently lose your data. This click is just a precursor to the final step. After selecting Delete Space, you'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you really want to send this space to the trash. This isn't just to protect your data, but also to ensure you're absolutely certain about removing the space. It's a handy feature that mitigates accidental deletions. If you indeed want to proceed, click on this option. Remember, spaces sent to the trash are not immediately gone forever. Confluence retains them for 60 days before they are permanently deleted. This way, if you accidentally delete or have second thoughts, there's a window of time to recover it. But after the 60-day mark, the space is gone permanently. So again, ensure that your decision is definitive before taking this step. And there you have it, a straightforward method to delete a Confluence space. Keep in mind the importance of identifying the correct space and confirming your intentions through these steps. This process is designed to be user-friendly and provide enough safeguards to make sure your Confluence environment remains organized and intentional.